kitchen game with our game-changing food processing blender featuring a powerful 1,600 peak watt-powered dense motor. Effortlessly create oversized smoothie bowls and creamy nut butters with a handy tamper. Enjoy healthy drinks using this specially crafted nutrient extraction cup and take control with adjustable speed settings for a flawless blend every time. Let the 7 preset Auto IQ programs simplify your blending process and experience super smooth blending with a hybrid edge blade assembly designed for silky smooth smoothies and recipes. Elevate your breakfast routine with this versatile powerhouse, making frozen treats and healthy drinks a breeze. Upgrade your kitchen with this unstoppable food processing blender and enjoy the convenience of its advanced features. Whether you're blending smoothies, making nut butters, or whipping up frozen treats, this blender is equipped to handle it all. With its powerful motor and innovative design, this blender will take your cooking to the next level. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your culinary creations with this high-performance kitchen essential.